my name is Christina Cox and I work for United Demolition. Tonight we are in Atlanta, Georgia, working on a pretty big expansion here in Atlanta. We've been here now for a few months and we use quite a few of the Hyundai pieces of equipment. The Hyundai equipment is more durable than other brands. The cab space is luxury compared to some of the other brands that they have out there. Everyone seems to be satisfied and comfortable working long hours in these machines each and every day. We've got at least 3 pieces of Hyundai equipment on site that we use on a day-to-day basis, and so far they've held up great. We haven't had any issues with them. They're definitely worth the time and the money spent on the equipment, keeping them maintained. As long as you maintain them, they'll work for you, and they do last. Tonight we're going to be working with the 330L and the 235. It's going to be a long shift. We will start by removing the bridge deck, which is the actual road itself, and then we will move down and start removing the girders from down below using the 235, the 300, and the 335. I've been with United Demolition for 1.5 years, but been in the industry for about 20 years. Working out in the construction field, it is rewarding each and every day, learning new things, meeting new people, and get to travel and see the United States, not like many people have the chance to do working in an office job.